was looking for that this morning when I was getting ready to leave the house and couldn't find it. That reminds me. Jim, did you or Steve, did you guys notice day before yesterday how hazy it was?
Sure, we had a dust storm.
Is that what it was?
Yeah.
Right, Steve?
Yeah, that's weird. Okay, that's. I thought it was a fire.
Yesterday in Phoenix.
Okay.
We had one in Kingman too.
Hey, from my place, you could barely see the mountain right in front of the house. And you couldn't see the mountains anywhere around there except for Tin Mountain right there in front of it.
I was going to ask you how high it'd go. I guess that's about it, isn't it?
It'll go out of sight. Yeah. As far as you can see.
That is a real one up there.
Yeah, I got our